This is a Stormtracker 16 special report.
There will be one at 11. It might be ready for 10. It might not. Hi, I'm Stormtracker 16 meteorologist Alexandra Gallo, just updating you on the winter storm. So we're a little less now than 24 hours out from those first flakes falling. So tonight, pretty much all day long tomorrow are okay. I'm going to talk about that in just a minute. But first, the big story tonight, it's just another very bitter cold night. Temperatures in the single digits already. So let's start out with our current temperatures. We're down to 1 already in Forest City. We have 8 now in Scranton, 10 in Jersey Shore, 11 in Williamsport. So it is, again, another bitter cold night. But the difference is, while it might be a degree or two colder waking up tomorrow morning, it won't be quite as windy. So that wind chill, not as much of a factor, but 0 is our forecast low tonight. So we hit 2 this morning, 14 was our high today, but we are forecasting a low of 0 tonight, and our sunrise tomorrow morning is at 7:25. And tomorrow, again, we start out with some sun. It's quiet at first. We warm into the mid, even upper 20s by the afternoon, even the early evening. So any plans you have tomorrow throughout the morning, early afternoon, even mid to late afternoon is looking okay. It's not until 6, 7, 8 o'clock that we start to see that snow developing from the south. So of course, that's the big story. Here is a look at our timeline. So snow arrives between about 6 and 9 o'clock tomorrow evening. Again, the snow moves in from the south. It spreads north as the evening goes on into tomorrow night. And for a few hours, it's falling as all snow, plain snow. And that's when we'll pick up the accumulating snow. But then that transition happens, and I'll show you those temperatures warming into the overnight hours tomorrow night and early Monday morning. But when that transition happens to sleet, that of course is a huge factor, very important in just how much snow we get, those snowfall totals. And even there is even a chance of just plain rain overnight tomorrow night into early Monday morning as well. So of course that transition, that changeover is going to keep those totals down. So generally about a 2 to 5 inch range is what we have for most of the area, with the highest totals farthest north and west, and you can see there 4+. So I'll show you a little bit of a better look at our snowfall map. So our snowfall totals, there's that 3 to 7 inch range farthest north and west, but you can see most of our area in that 2 to 5 inch range. And 2 to 5 inches may seem like a big range, but again, it's elevation dependent when that changeover to that sleet, that wintry mix happens. So highest elevations, coldest spots, you're going to be on the higher end of that 2 to 5 inch range, whereas those lower elevations and the warmer spots where that changeover happens pretty quickly tomorrow evening, again, you'll be on that lower end, closer to the 2. Same thing for the 3 to 7 inches as well. But all of our area, some sort of weather alert. So winter storm watch is the area shaded in blue. Winter storm warning is the area shaded in pink. So that's Carbon and Monroe counties. And then the areas in purple, that's the winter weather advisory. So you don't really have to focus right now on which county you're in, which color you're in. We have different forecast offices, the National Weather Service. We have a couple of different forecast offices. So this far out from the storm, still a full day out from really that snow starting to develop. That's why we have those different alerts, but we all are under some sort of winter weather alert through tomorrow night into early Monday morning, again, because we're expecting slick conditions, delayed travel through the overnight hours. If you have to travel overnight or early Monday morning, delaying that travel as much as you can throughout the day Monday. We'll see improvements as the day goes on Monday. So here's satellite and radar right now. Again, things are quiet. It's going to stay quiet for a little bit longer, a clear sky tonight. Other than that cold, no issues. Tomorrow, we have some sunshine. So it turns mostly cloudy eventually, but I do think we have some sun in the morning. Then that snow moves in from the south. So by 6 o'clock tomorrow evening is when we start to see those snow showers developing from the south, pushing north. So across our southern tier, south of Interstate 80 is where we start to see that snow first. And then as the evening goes on, again, spreading north. So it is a few hours of just steady snow, plain snow, before that changeover happens. Here's 9, 10 o'clock tomorrow night. Again, you can still see that precipitation all in the form of snow. Once we see the changeover, those pinks, those greens, that's sleet and freezing rain. So overnight tomorrow night into early Monday morning is when that changeover happens. First thing Monday morning, even though it's not necessarily snowing, the green you're seeing there, that's likely, it might be plain rain, some of it, but freezing rain as well. So still plan on delays and slick travel early Monday morning. And then we start to see that steadier precipitation tapering off So again, improvements on Monday, but as it turns colder, and we'll be dealing with the wind on Monday, so we'll have some lingering snow showers around. So if you do have anything in the afternoon, any appointments or anything like that in the afternoon, you might run into some snow showers and it will be a bit breezy, but the steadiest precipitation really happens while we're sleeping overnight tomorrow night. Of course, the other big part of this winter storm is the wind. So definitely not as windy tonight and early tomorrow morning. It starts to become a bit breezy into tomorrow evening, but the worst of the winds are overnight tomorrow night. So 2, 3, 4 a.m. we have winds out of the east averaging 20, 25 miles an hour. These are sustained wind speeds. We'll have gusts over 30, maybe even up to 40 miles an hour. Again, this is when the winds are the worst. Those winds diminish a bit as the day goes on Monday, but later in the day on Monday, as the storm system pulls away, you can see that shift in that wind direction. So it will still be a bit breezy Monday and Tuesday, and this time those winds will be out of the northwest. So that's a brisk wind. Again, it turns colder Monday, and that precipitation changes back over to just some snow showers, snow squalls, lake effect snow showers with that brisk northwest wind. We'll be dealing with breezy conditions into Tuesday as well, but it's tomorrow night, overnight, when we'll have the worst of those winds, those highest gusts. So here's a look at our future temperatures. So this is tomorrow morning. Again, 0 is our forecast low tonight, 3 below for Mashopin, Forest City, 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And then we warm into the 20s. Before the snow starts, we've got some sunshine, so it's a warmer day tomorrow than what we had today, mid and upper 20s. But then overnight tomorrow night, watch what happens. Those temperatures continue to warm. So now we're above freezing, a lot of us. And again, elevation dependent, 25 in Forest City, 34 in Scranton overnight tomorrow night. So when and where that changeover to sleet and freezing rain happens, of course, is very important with those snow totals and just how much snow we get when all of this is said and done. So we're warming overnight tomorrow night, and then we warm into the morning on Monday, up mid and upper 30s on Monday before temperatures fall again by Monday night. So here's our 7-day forecast. Temperatures again tomorrow in the 20s and then warming tomorrow night. Sunshine in the morning with that storm arriving by tomorrow night. Monday, that wintry mix in the morning becomes just snow showers later in the day. They'll be more scattered in nature. So again, if you do have anything to go to on Monday, definitely plan for delays Monday morning. Monday afternoon, Monday evening, you might run into some snow showers, but they'll be much more scattered. That steadiest precipitation falls while we're sleeping tomorrow night. Tuesday is partly sunny and breezy. In the 20s on Tuesday, we're back into the 30s on Wednesday, but it looks like a clipper system might bring us a few more chances for some snow showers for the middle of the week on Wednesday. So you can stay up to date with our latest forecast on our app. If you don't already have our app, you can actually text the word app, so that's APP, to 570-826-1616. That's 570-826-1616. If you text the word app, you'll get a link, and right from there you can download it, and then you'll have the WNEP app. And again, that's where our latest forecast will be. I'll be on air WNEP2 tonight at 10, on WNEP at 11, and then Valerie is back first thing tomorrow morning at 5. Thanks so much.